Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another first impression to do for you guys. I'm gonna be reviewing these brushes right here from Wish that I purchased from Wish. I'm gonna be also reviewing this palette right here from BH Cosmetics. This is the Nude Rose palette. This is the Sculpt and Glow Contour Highlight and Brush palette. So it has everything for your face pretty much. And then I'm gonna be also reviewing this or having a first impression on this non-U eyebrow pencil from Wish as well. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by putting on foundation. I'm just gonna use my Too Faced foundation. I'm going to apply my foundation. It's just the Too Faced foundation Born This Way. I'm in shade Warm Beige. And so we're gonna be using testing out these Wish brushes today. It came with this pouch right here, and that's about it. There's no brand or anything, so it's very sturdy, good brush. So I'm just gonna use this one right here for the foundation. Just one pump. Then I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Not bad at all, you guys. The bristles are very it's very soft, and usually when I put foundation on my nose especially, I get streaky, but it wasn't that streaky for this one. It does have a little bit of what is shedding, but it's not that bad. It's very soft and very you can use it very well. You can manipulate it very well. I like it. I really like it. Okay, so we're gonna move on to concealer. I'll be right back because I forgot it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. This is just my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light. I'm just gonna apply it all over my T-zone, and then we'll choose the brush again. Okay, so I found this little brush right here from the Wish collection. It's very doom and nice. I think I'm just gonna use it to blend the concealer. Okay, it's having a little bit of hard time. Even I have a little bit of hard time because I'm not used to using brush to blend my concealers, but it's good. It's stiff enough so that it's not moving the product around too much, and it's stiff enough also for me to, like, you know, use it properly. It makes the products on my nose a little bit streaky. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit hard to use this brush. Also, because I had some injuries with my my wrist, my right wrist, so I have to work a little bit extra. Yeah, I don't really like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and use this foundation brush from earlier to just try and blend the one on my forehead and my nose. Blend the edges here. Okay, I don't know, I don't really like this brush. I mean, it's soft, and then it's stiff enough, but it's not the best for under eyes, I guess. I'm gonna try and use the same brush for contouring, and we're gonna be using this contouring palette right here, and I'm gonna use it to set my face as well. This is the Nude Rose, yeah, Nude Rose collection from BH Cosmetics. You guys have no idea, I wanted to get this for so long, since, you know, since the beginning of this year. So I'm super excited I got it, and it was on sale. I don't know why it's so hard, and I love the packaging. It's actually like aluminum type. It's not really, it doesn't look that cheap. And this is how it looks like. I literally just got it in the mail yesterday, so I'm just literally opening it right now. The box is still there. Anyway, so I'm just gonna use the yellow one to set my concealer. And then I'm just gonna use this, I think it's supposed to be a foundation brush. I'm just gonna use it to apply, to put it under my eyes. Not bad at all. There's a little bit of kickback from the palette. We're not gonna make it. I love this product. I'm gonna be using it for my future trip, which is very soon. Oh, I like it, guys. I'm just gonna wipe a little bit because I feel like I pressed too much. Okay, yeah, I do like this. Let's go ahead and contour our face. I'm just gonna use the same brush. I think this brush is better to contour. Okay, I think what they said in the website is this is supposed to be for contouring and this is supposed to be for bronzing. So let's go ahead and do that. This brush is much better for like contouring for sure. I love the shade, it's perfect for me. And I don't think there's a different shade. This is all they have. I don't think they have any different shade for this, so interesting. Because I'm gonna use this fluffy brush to actually try and bronze my face using the lighter brown. Oh wow, I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna bring this to Vegas. That's where my trip is gonna be. Wow, look at that. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see this? And also what's best about this is it has a mirror. Okay, not bad at all. I love it. Looks like it's a blush, but it's a bronzer. Interesting. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna try and use this small kabuki brush as a blush brush. Wow, this really matches me. This is perfect, you guys. Even if I got a little bit tanner, it will still work. Wow, I love it. I really, really do. What do you guys think? Okay. Yeah, it looks great. And then there's some highlight shades here. There is a light one, and there is like a bronze one. So I'm just gonna use the light one for my nose, my nose and my cupid's bow and my chin. I mean, not my chin. from crown, my regular crown brush. Just going right here and right here. Oh wow. I think I'm gonna use it the same light contour. I'm gonna use the same highlight for my entire face. A little bit of fallouts, but not too bad at all. Wow, you guys. Wow. Just blend it out. It looks pretty good on camera, but in real life you gotta blend it a little bit. I put a little bit too much. It's perfect for my vacation, my trip. Okay, it's perfect, you guys. I love it. And I love the fact that there is like 2 choices in here. I mean, I'm still gonna bring like 1 extra highlighter, but I love the fact that there's 2 choices in here. So there's this one right here, and then there's this one right here. I think this is more for like when you're bronzed, but I don't really like that kind of a highlighter. Alrighty, so we're gonna test out the rest of the brushes on the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some eye primer, and I'll be right back. Okay, before we move on to the eyes, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the brows. I'm gonna be using this No Nude eyebrow pencil. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is from Wish also. Eyebrow pencil in GRBR. That's how it looks like. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, not bad. I like that it's not too intense, so that I can actually control it. Oh wow, I like it, and it matches my hair. I think I've found my favorite brow pencil for now, guys. For now, until I find the next best one. It's not bad at all, and you can really control like the pressure and everything. It's not too like pigmented or anything. Yeah, I really like it. Okay guys, I think that's good enough, right? Okay, maybe I will make the tail a little bit the same. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, and it was free. My friend, it was from my friend. My friend gave it to me because it was her gift with purchase, with her first purchase. So yes, I like it. Okay, Wish, good job. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes now. I'm just gonna put on my eye primer, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, today I'm gonna be using my Juvia palette, but we're just gonna test out the this is the second time I'm using it actually, but I'm gonna be testing out the rest of the brushes from Wish. Okay, so we have a blending brush that's a little bit bent. We have 2 blending brush and 1 shader brush and 1 flat brush. Okay, we'll try to make it work. Oh, and we have another one. We have a precision brush or a pencil brush. I think we can make it work. I'm just gonna grab the one of the blending brush. I'm gonna take Ginza and put it under my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and use a darker color right here. It's called Burkina. I'm just gonna use that as a transition color. Yeah. You need to be a little, I don't know, the brushes, the bristles are a little bit too long, so you need to like, you need to make your hand a little bit closer to the brush end. I mean a little bit closer to the bristle to like have a full control, because yeah, it's, the bristles are a little long on these brushes. Okay, yeah, it takes a little, it's a little bit harder to blend with these bristles because of the length, or I'm just not used to that. If you need your shadows to not to appear too much, then this is good, but if you need to, like, you know, if you need it otherwise, then it's kind of hard to apply. I'm just gonna use these 2 purple colors right here. So I'm gonna use Zumbo on the outer corner. This is Zumbo. I'm just gonna use that on the outer corner. I'm just gonna try and use the same brush. We don't really have much choices on this one, so I'm just gonna use the same brush. Yeah, I don't know if I like this brush, you guys. especially if I'm like gonna use it on other people, because I've been doing other people's makeup. I would not use this. I just don't have much control over it, so I don't really like it. Anyways, I'm dragging the color a little bit over my crease, like so. I'm literally pressing a little bit on my lid. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same on the other eyes. Then I'll be right back because this camera is overheating. Sorry if the lighting changed a little bit. It's kind of gloomy outside. I'm using natural light, but anyways, let's continue. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Makeda now, this color right here on the inner corner. I'm gonna use this brush right here, the flat brush. I don't know if I like this brush either. I mean, it does apply the color well, but I feel like it takes a while to apply it with this brush. I feel like using my hand, my finger would be like much easier. The bristle is super stiff, so if you want to do like a cut crease or things like that, this will be good. Just gonna use the same brush earlier. I'm not putting any products, I'm just blending the edges. Okay. This brush is much better to apply colors that you need not to move, so you need to press on colors. It's not too good to drag it on with this brush because kind of hurts a little bit. Okay. I like the size though, that I can actually apply colors over here. I don't know, you guys, I don't really like it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of a darker shade on the outer corner. I'm gonna try and apply Fulani first, this shade right here, Fulani. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the precision brush or the pencil brush, and then I'm just gonna put Zubu, this color right here, on the lower half of my eyes. This one is really good for precision, not the softest brush. I can feel it on my eyes, and I don't really like that, but the precision is perfect. And then I'm just gonna put the darker color that I put on the outer corner, which is Fulani, right on top of Zobo. I would say Zobo. I think this other brush is better with for contouring, so I'm just gonna use the same palette, and I'm gonna use this light color right here to contour my nose, and use this brush. Yeah, it's perfect for contouring. Okay, I need to blend it a little. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and some eyeliner, some lipstick, and then I'll be right back with my final top. Okay guys, so this is the final look that I did with the brushes and the nude palette. Okay, and the eyebrow stuff, the eyebrow product, pencil. So what I think about this Nude Rose, I really love it. I guess because it's a cool tone, especially the bronzer, because the BH Cosmetics palette that I bought before this, I wanted to use it for travel too, but the bronzer didn't work out for me, so I'm so happy that this works out. I'm going to bring this to travel with me for sure, so I really love it. I do recommend it if you have my the same skin type or same skin tone as me. So if you are olive or medium skin tone, you have medium skin tone, then this is good for you. I don't think this is for all skin tones because these are a little bit dark for like anyone with lighter color or lighter skin. But yeah, if you have my skin tone, this is perfect, and perfect for traveling, perfect for everything. And then next thing is about the eyebrow pencil. I really love this, especially because I can control it. There are other brow pencil that are just too intense, like the Wet n Wild one that I did a review on. It's too creamy, so you have to be very careful, but with this I have more control, so I like it. I know my brows are not perfect. They're sisters, not twins, okay? So yeah, I really like this, and it was free, so yes wish. About the brushes, I love the face brushes, but not too much the eye brushes. I mean, yes, I was able to blend these shadows and apply them, but I had the hardest time, and it was some of them were kind of hurting my lid, like especially this flat brush right here, and the precision brush that this precision brush, it's like, it's good that it's precise, but it kind of hurt, and it's not really good because it's supposed to be used around the eyes and it's supposed to be soft, you know. I've used other brushes before, that is why I know this. That it should be soft, and it's possible. But yeah, these brushes were very cheap, so the quality though, the quality of the brush and everything, it's good quality. It's just that the bristle on the eye brushes are just not that good. Alright guys, so that's pretty much my opinion on this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching that video, guys. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up if you guys did like it. Also, don't forget to click on my round face right here to subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. And here's the next video.